Apart from the being able to review basic indicators in the analytics page, we wanted to give the user a more detailed purview of how indicators of a particular day might look like, and that is where the design and content of daily reports sort of comes in handy. You go to the daily reports tab, select a particular day that you want to look at in details, and the first thing that you see process wise is the overall performance counter, which basically shows the performance of different indicators on that day. If the code of the particular block is red, it means the indicator on that day did not fare too well, and if it's green, it was perhaps the best value that there was an indicator had. And then you can look at some of the other key performance indicators in more detail. There's the spin algo algorithm, which is being used to find out the dates on which the production parameters were exactly similar to that on the given day. And hence, your comparison of indicators is not on the overall history, but an history of data that's more connected to today's data. In this, we have added a feature which is sort of gives user interface. It tells you an overall indicator and count analysis how a particular performance index is behaving, and it also normalizes that particular indicator with respect to a reference period which has already been chosen by the admin of that particular unit. So you can scroll down, you can play around, look at the way you would want to look at in details, look at the graphical representations of how a particular indicator has changed, so on and so forth. And here you can look at all these sets of data from the historical data that match today's value. So you know how all the indicators have been calculated. So this has been done with a view of trying to give more detailed insight on a particular day. Of course, in the analytics section, you can look at the very basic version of it. But if you want a detailed analysis, that's how daily reports have been designed and broken up into.